Hello, agents. You two have been selected for a retrieval mission. This mission, should you choose to accept it, is to retrieve a target. The target will be in a box located in an occupied office within a complex. You will be transported there, and you will have less than 30 seconds to retrieve it while armed with only a single handgun. Do you accept this mission?
I accept the mission.
Don't move! Don't move! Freeze! What is it? Come on, let's go, let's go! Let's go!
Great work, agents. Unfortunately, your identities have been compromised and a new mission is underway.